Hola Art World, my name is Nathan J. Chavez and I am an artist from Carrizozo, New Mexico. I'd like to talk to you about World Art Day. World Art Day was a day declared by the International Association of Art to promote awareness of creative activity all over the world. Since the first World Art Day on April 15th, 2012, people all over the world have celebrated this day more and more, bigger and bigger. Do you know what makes the day April 15th artistically significant? It's Leonardo da Vinci's birthday! My small town of Carrizozo, New Mexico joined the celebration of World Art Day in 2018. The galleries in town, Lumina Gallery, Malcolm Gallery 408, and the Tularosa Basin Gallery of Photography came together to sponsor the creation of multinational inspired sculptures from artists all over this area. My grandma got me to participate and we both had sculptures in the event. I did Jamaica and my grandmother had Canada. For World Art Day, April 15th, 2023, one of the ways that Carrizozo is celebrating is having the 2023 Carrizozo Poster Collection. The 2023 World Art Day Poster Collection is comprised of 18 images which reflect the broad talent, wide-ranging skills, and a portion of the diverse artistic voices present in the arts community of Carrizozo, New Mexico. The project aims to showcase artists, celebrate World Art Day 2023, gratify the viewer, and simply put, participate in the joy of sharing life-enhancing, artful moments with one another. I am beyond lucky to have my poster sponsored by Nancy Doherty over at Antiques Etc. in Carrizozo, New Mexico. I'd like to share with you now the process for creating that artwork. Check it out. World Art Day! World Art Day! It's time to have some fun. If you like to draw or sculpt, it's for everyone. World Art Day! World Art Day! Grab your pencil too. Get your paints and your camera. Time for something new. World Art Day. I hope that you out there celebrated this day and created something great for this universe. If you did not celebrate April 15th, well, never fear. You can be just like me and celebrate World Art Day every day. I am honored to be a part of this poster collection. There are so many great and amazing artists from the Carrizozo area, and to have my art beside them, this is such a great honor. I knew that when I was asked to be a part of this collection, that I wanted my art to pay homage to my home. Painted skulls, yuccas, dream catchers, and roadrunners. These are all quintessential Southwest items. New Mexico has such a rich color in just the landscape and sky. The sunsets around here can be so unreal. There have been many times that I question my own eyes, that I don't even think a painting could capture the gradients that I have seen. This artwork is called Figments of Home. From the colors to the subjects, I tried to capture the beauty of this place I call home. One day, I will have a good way to capture my pencil sketching phase. Everything always starts out with pencil and paper. From there, you give it life. I have always felt that inking is my strongest art quality. Bold lines, black and white contrast. With a pencil you can be loose and sketchy, sculpting what you need to achieve the look that you see. Then with a more confident, dark and bold line, you give it definition. Then the details give it life. I feel like this is when my art is at its best. Don't get me wrong, I like the coloring part too. But there is so much more thought behind it. Also, the fear of what if I use the wrong color? While we forget that as an artist we can just paint over it and start again. Maybe it's the perfectionist in me that quarrels over the choice of colors. Also, as an artist, there are so many ways to get things done. There is no right or wrong way. There is only the way that works best for you. I know that I am not the first to draw a collage of these subjects, but I can only draw these things the way that I know how, and that's the Nathan illustration way. Art has so many forms, and people identify with it in so many different ways. That's what makes World Art Day special. Everyone will identify with this day differently. The way that you see your art is not the way that others will see it. In the end, it's all about trusting the process. Stay true to yourself and your vision, the rest will fall into place. There are tons of happy accidents and opportunities waiting to make your art and life great. So however you celebrate this day, World Art Day, April 15th, go out there and create a special drawing, a special painting, a sculpture, a song, a video, any form of art that you identify with. And I hope to see it or hear it. Please let me know down below how you celebrated World Art Day. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel for more art videos. Visit nathanillustration.com to see more of my art and projects.